Gonna roar at him, Ben?
Yeah, that sounds great. Thanks.
What, you like the sign? What do you want? Why don't you hop out and walk around and look at what you want to see?
That one by that tricycle public that slide.
Let's go look at that. Look at that.
No, I want to find some.
Oh, you want to find some? I think the Styracosaurus is waking up. Is he waking up? Gonna roar at him? Good boy. You roaring at him?
Oh, and this is how you